Hi there, Stampers. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you a professionally printed calendar created with Stampin' Up's My Digital Studio software program, and these were printed with their professional printer. I actually imported a scrapbook template into the calendar program, and then I did custom layouts from that because I was running late as usual. Some of the custom things that I did with this calendar, I used a template up here for the top of this page and customized it a little bit and then put my own pictures in it. And then down below I took a white calendar page and I copied the layout from above so it's one smooth transition on this page. I made all of the background of the calendar pages match the pages above them. And another cool thing I did here, for instance, this was the layout that I used up here, which I could have customized, but I really kind of like this with the boys and the frogs. And then I took one of the frogs down here to kind of tie in the calendar page with it. But on each of the pages down below, you'll see here, I put in our family member's birthday. For instance, this is my birthday, in case you want to send me any presents. Each one has a little candle on it, and each grandparents is different depending on their grandchildren's birthdays. And I'll give you an example. Like, my basic calendar was the same for all the grandparents, but this calendar here is for my mom. So it has a picture of her and I and Shelly, the CEO of Stampin' Up, in August. And this calendar, although basically the same, given to my mother-in-law, I have a picture of her and my husband at a Red Sox game. So my mom got a picture of her daughter and my mother-in-law got a picture of her son. Cute, huh? You can also see here, I brought down the green from above into the calendar, and here the calendar is white to match the Red Sox picture above. I had so much fun making these. The quality of them is unbelievable. The size of these is 8.5 by 11. They're landscape. They also come 8.5 by 11 portrait and 12 by 12, so the bigger size. This is how it arrived, all shrink wrapped. But of course, I wanted to take it out and look at them and show them off to you guys. Be sure to visit my blog, and I will post individual pictures of each of these, so if you need some ideas for your calendar templates, you can use them. You can also visit my blog for tons more My Digital Studio information and samples of other projects, of digital cards and my YouTube book and some other things that I've done in My Digital Studio. Lots more coming. Thanks for joining me today.